everyone, I am Mylaling Bernal from Bachelor of Physical Education 2A. So, meron tayo ditong mga questions and pinrint out ko siya na kailangan natin i-answer. Ito siya. So, as you can see, maingay ang background natin. Nasa work kasi tayo. So, the first question is, what are the water activities you are currently involved in and/or were involved in? So, yung natatandaan kong na-involve ako sa isang water activities is nung elementary ako. Kasi sumali ako sa swimming team. Siyempre, physically active tayo nung bata tayo. Nung bata pa tayo. Nung bata pa yan. Pero ngayon hindi na. Hindi naman halata sa body natin na physically active tayo sa mga physical activities. Number 2 questions. What are the venues or where it... Okay, ulit. Where is the venue where it occurred? So, nangyari yun way back in my elementary days. Near sa school namin, may swimming pool kasi doon. Mga 100 feet away lang. Free naman yung pagpasok. So, number 3. What are the common preparations and practices you do before, during, and after the water activity? So, before the water activity, syempre warm up muna para hindi masyadong mabigla yung body natin for the swimming. During the activity, what did I do? So, that time, marami naman kaming magkakasama nun, pero medyo malapit. Malapit lang kami doon sa may mga mas older sa amin. Para in case na may mangyaring emergency or anything bad. And what are the after the water activity, diba? So, after nun, syempre warm up muna, then umuwi na. Umuwi na agad kasi late na rin kami, madalas natatapos at that time. Buti na lang may kasama ako kakilala. Hindi, baka nagpanic na yung lola ko. Okay. Number 4th question, if I'm not wrong po. Injuries or accidents you experience or witness and how you or they manage it. Okay, yung dito is yung example ko na lang yung nangyari sa brother ko. Before din to. Elementary pa din ako. Elementary pa rin ako. So, yung bahay kasi namin medyo malapit lang siya sa dagat. Mga 30 minutes away lang. So, nandun kami na nagpipiknik. Tapos dalawa silang kapatid kong lalaki. Yung bunso taas yung pang sumunod sa akin. Parang may, do you know the kawayan? The bamboo rather. Yung ginagawa nilang parang salbabida. So, napalayo sila. Tapos nakita na lang namin, nalulunod na sila. So, ako, as a person who knows how to swim, syempre ni-rescue ko. Pero, I almost drowned din po. Since, nung nire-rescue ko siya, parang niya akong hinihila rin pababa. So, parang malulunod po kami nun parehas. So, buti na lang nun that time nakita ko nung tatay ko, nung father ko. Pati nung mga mas older sa amin nakita kami agad. Na-save kami ng maayos. And, buhay pa naman po. So, the 5th question natin is, what is the overall feeling after every water activity? So, yung overall feeling dito is, syempre, minsan nakakapagod siya, pero masaya. Since this is a way of bonding with the family din po and the other person. And this is also a way how to socialize and communicate to other people. And that's all po. Again, I am Mylaning Bernal from Bachelor of Physical Education 2A.